Hey guys, in this market, it's more important than ever that we're able to separate ourselves from the competition. If you think like 24 months, 36 months ago, anyone could be a real estate agent and look successful. Basically, we were order takers, right? The market was so white hot that any old agent could just take a listing, throw it on the MLS and go, oh, look how great I am. I got you multiple offers, and had nothing to do with them or their skill set, right? So now things have changed. Interest rates are approaching 8%. We know that homes are sitting on the market a lot longer, and now you actually have to have some skills to get homes sold, but also to get the business in the first place. And we all know that the number of homes on the market that are being sold is down by quite a bit. In my market, it's down by about 50% from a year ago. So we have all those agents that are fighting over half the pie, right? It's more important than ever to stand out and be able to separate yourself from the competition. I'll give you two areas that'll help you really stand out from your competition. The first area I want to talk about is being an expert in what's actually happening in your market. And that means you have to know your numbers. So I'm going to go over a few numbers that I would recommend that you cover at least once a month. I like to do it at the beginning of the month. And in fact, I'd almost recommend that you just talk about the numbers in a video. It'll get you in the habit of looking at the numbers, but also posting to social media and demonstrating that you're an expert at what's going on in your city, zip code, county, whatever area you work. Make sure that you are reporting on those numbers and you know what those numbers are. So I would talk about how many homes are active on the market, how many homes sold last month, and compare that to how many homes sold the previous month and the previous year. You want to be able to say, hey, we sold about the same number of homes as last month, but we sold half as many homes as we did a year ago. You also want to know what the average sold price is. How does that compare? Are we up or down from last month? Are we up or down from last year? So I can tell you we're down 4% from last month, but man, we're down about 18% from last year. The other thing you can look at is the original list to the sold price ratio. That's going to help you know, are people over listing their home? Are they under listing their home? Great data for you to know going into a listing presentation if someone wants to get their home sold quickly. And then of course the days on market. How does that compare a month ago and a year ago? If you know the numbers and are compared to an agent that doesn't know the numbers, you're going to be able to instill much more confidence in the people that are looking to hire you. The next area you really need to get proficient at is understanding what the lending products are. Every market is going to have a unique challenge, and there's always going to be a lending product that's going to be created to solve the problem of the day. Now, if you think 2 years ago when we had multiple offers on every home, the solution of the day was that we're going to have this addendum where we're going to be able to offer cash on top of the appraisal, and that was the financial solution. Now that interest rates are at 8%, we have solutions like 3-2-1 buy downs or 2-1 buy downs, and these are areas that you've got to be expert at and be able to execute those into your contracts so that you can actually move real estate in this market. I promise you, if you don't know what 3-2-1 buy downs are and you're not using them, then you're going to miss out on a lot of business, and that half pie is going to get divided without you. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you're proficient at these things so you can move your business forward. If you want more tips, go to the link in the bio, sign up for the free newsletter. Every Sunday, we're going to drop it to you, and it'll help you grow your business in just a few minutes a week. Hope you have a great day. Have much success. Bye.